to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes. We're cooking with Carolina Cooker. We are cooking on the Discada. Today we're going to be doing duck fajitas. So first off, we're going to go ahead and light up our Discada. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of oil here. We're going to go ahead and add our onion, get those sauteing down a little bit. So after those saute for about a minute, you can go ahead and add your peppers. And we've got red pepper, green pepper, and jalapeno pepper because we like a little bit of a kick with our food here. We're going to grab a little salt and pepper. We're going to hit the vegetables with a little bit of garlic, throw a little bit of oregano in here, a little bit more of our oil, then we're going to go ahead and add our duck. And when you're cooking duck, you don't want to overcook your duck. You want to keep it probably about a medium rare to a medium. Last little touch, we're going to go ahead and hit the duck with some Carolina Cooker Cajun seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and bring everything in the middle here, let it kind of marry together. And now we're going to go ahead and take our tortillas, just fold them just like this. We're going to set them right here. That way they're getting hot while this is finishing up. All right, so we are all set, ready to plate up. We're going to put the tortilla right here on the plate, grab a nice helping of duck and veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with some nice fresh cilantro. And this is just, like I said, a very simple dish, easy to do inside or outside. And one thing we want to remember is that being able to provide fresh, delicious meals for our family, it always makes the harvest a trophy.